Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're at Disney Springs. We're gonna go check out the co-op. I'm gonna show you everything inside. It's really cool, so come on in, check it out. So guys, before we enter, and kind of just want to logistically show you where it is. You're gonna see the marketplace snacks in front, and then that's World of Disney over there. So you would kind of come this way, and boom, there's the co-op. So let's go ahead. As you know, on Medling World, we love to walk in together, and definitely still have some of that 50th anniversary. This stuff will be going soon because the 50th anniversary ends the end of March. But what's really cool is this is the co-op, guys. So there's lots of different, all kinds of different things inside, and they're all kind of like, you have the vault over here, you have Centerpiece over there, you have Disney Trails, which is the pet collection. You have D-Tech. Let's start over here in D-Tech because I actually made a customized magic band. Really cool in here because you can come in and you can go up to these screens and you can make all kinds of cool stuff. So you can do all of this stuff here, all customized, all kinds of different things, just to give you an idea. And I did my magic band, so 30 bucks, and then 50 to, I put my name on mine. You might see in some of my vlogs, and they make it right away for you, so you can wait. You can go out if you have dinner or something like that, and then come back and pick it up. So there's not like it's shipped to your house or anything. They make it right then and there. So it's on demand, really cool. Then over on this side, this stuff changes a lot throughout the different seasons. Let's have a walk inside. Right now, see, all the vault stuff is actually pretty much gone, and you'll see just, oh, well, there's still a little bit of it left, a little bit that game down there, and some of the different things there. A little bit of the vault left, but moving out. This busy. It's a oh, by the way, happy first day of spring. I just thought as I was coming over here, going to Disney Springs on the first day of spring, so kind of cool. But as I was saying, as those anniversaries end, they pull stuff out quick. I do see some Oswald stuff. Let's go have a look over there. Definitely lots of the Oswald. I did a vlog all from Disney, World of Disney, with all the different Oswald stuff. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description. And you also can find Disneyland over here. So cool, and even Walt Disney Studios. I did like this, like Spirit jersey. Almost kind of like a Spirit jersey, a little thin, but it's got Mickey on it. The best mouse. This thing's pretty cool. Let's see how much it is. A bunch of them here. I don't know. I can't find a price. Let me see if I can find a price on that. But anyway, you can get a good look at it. I wouldn't say really. I'm going to say it's cheaper than a regular Spirit jersey, but I don't see any price tags. I'm curious, so I'm going to go ask a cast member, because now I know you guys want to know how much it is, just like me. So let's go find out. They did find out. I talked to cast member Young, and she did say that is considered a Spirit jersey. It's $80. So I'm looking at this collection, the Disney eras. This is kind of neat. Lots of different things here. So, oh, actually, this is for the 100, I'm noticing. That's a new 100 item. I haven't seen these yet. Pretty cool. Oh, wow, there's some weight to them, too. Wow, this is heavy. Let's see how much one of them is here. It's like Mickey's boots. 60. And there's different ones. They have like a Mickey here. That one's really neat. And almost like a, it's 100, but that's almost like a bronze, right?
Oh, it is.
So that's pretty cool. I haven't seen those yet. Look at the Steamboat Willie lounge flag. Oh, that's cool, like the old reel. This is nice. I love this. Probably 85. Ooh, 88.
That's how I do it.
So yes, some of that 100 Disney making its way here. Oh wow, look at these. I have not seen these yet either. The Steamboat Lily. 40. Let's see what's on the back. Oh, wow. So cool, man. These things are nice. Love those. So lots of really cool stuff in the co-op. A lot of times I like to come in here because you see different things. Yeah, you'll find a lot of this stuff in some of the other areas, but once in a while you'll find something like, wow, where'd that come from? Here's a Starbucks tumblers. This one I don't think would be 50. 25 for this one. That's a 50th. And it's 25. These I know are 50. They've been 50. Yeah. I would imagine this one's 50 as well. Wow, so cool. So guys, all down that end, I'm gonna get down to that end in a minute, but I want to show you that if you go this way, it's all like photo area here. So if you have your the photo pass, you can get it for the whole year. You can get it for a day, but there's a lot of photo ops over here, and you can see some of the pricing. So they'll print them out for you right here. So I just talked to awesome cast member Montana right there. So what's really cool about this is it is all included with your photo pass, right? Your memory maker. So you can come in and there's a couple different studios. So this one is like a green screen. Let me come over here and show you guys. So what this one does, and again, if you have that package with your memory maker, photo pass, you can come in here and it's all included in the price. They do have an option where you can print them out, and you know, there's different prices to print them. But what's cool here is what Montana was telling me is they do random. So you're just gonna get like, you know, it's a surprise. So it's just the green screen. And then over here, actually studio, which changes seasonal. She was just telling me that just over the weekend it was St. Patrick's Day, and now, you know, that's moved on. So it's kind of springy, Easter kind of theme there. Oh, look, a hidden Mickey. Cool. Oh, that's good to know, because I'm definitely going to come and use my memory maker in here with Roberta and Jake next time we're down here, because it's all included, so it's all awesome. Bye, Montana. Thank you so much. You too. So that's really cool. See, I'm learning stuff as I vlog. I love vlogging for you guys. All right, let's head back in over here. But I definitely am glad I showed you that. So here we go again, guys. I know they usually have like art. Man, I figured I was gonna come down here and this was gonna be a quick vlog, but there's so much in here. So you have Joffrey's. This is why it's so cool to come in here. Really neat stuff. Like I said, you can find this stuff in World of Disney. That's from the home collection. A lot of this stuff. But again, some unique things. Really cool. Actually, what the heck is this? Wow. Adventure kit. Pretty cool. So some of this stuff, like, you know, I haven't seen. Oh, this is a nice big cooler bag. This is great for the water parks. Let's see if we get a price on that one. 45. And just some more of the collections. Teas. A lot of times you'll find these tea sets when they don't sell here. They'll end up at the Character Warehouse. I know you guys have probably seen some of my Character Warehouse videos. We're getting ready to do another one. Oh, look at this one from Coco. So cool. How much is that? I love that. That is nice. 50? Don't have my glasses, guys. I think it's 50. We just came around the corner. That's where we were right there. And we're over here now. All Marvel. This was like an art area with different paintings and Disney art. Now all Marvel. Look at this over here. We got Iron Man. I'll show you in a minute. Some people in front of me. Check it out. Like a life-size Iron Man right here. That's neat. Look at that thing. Cool. And it's display, so. No, I don't think you can buy Iron Man. But yeah, lots of Marvel in here. All cool. And let's go around the corner, because this was like kind of like dresses, like different princess dresses, but kind of, yeah, it's all been changed. Oh, there's still some left, but look at this. Wow, look at that lounge fly. Let's see. 88. Now I'm gonna tell you something, guys. I was thinking of what can I vlog today? It's early in the week. Got to get the week started. We have big vlogs coming up though. We have the Roundup Rodeo, which is opening this week's barbecue at Toy Story Land over at Hollywood Studios. We'll be there opening day, so that vlog will be out this week. We want to head to Typhoon Lagoon this week. We'll have that vlog out. So again, I was trying to think, what can I do today? I'm so glad I popped in here because I'm enjoying making this vlog, guys. Look at this. It's like a denim, 75. And here's some of the cool dresses I was telling you guys about. Not necessarily like princess dresses, but just different theme. Looks like Dumbo. Or actually maybe just kind of like Magic Kingdom in general, right? Yeah. Neat. Like a Magic Kingdom. And just different ones, all different ones. Look at this. 80. And Mickey and Pluto and Minnie, like the old comics. So really neat, guys. I'll show a few more of the dresses. See if we can come over here. I'll show you a couple more. Look at this one, kind of like the carousel themed, right? Wow, is that nice? Fancy. With the ears to go with it. And little purses. Really neat purse there. Dooney, is that? Oh, that's, is that? I can't really see it. I don't have my glasses, but here's your brand right there. That's Dooney and Burke there. This one is 188. This one 268. I'm sorry if I can't read it right. 268. And a couple more dresses here. Here's one.
These ones are gonna be men's shirts.
There, and then another one right there with the floral on the bottom. Very cool. There's a lot of people in here for a Monday. Wow. All right, let's continue on, show you the rest of the place. So guys, now we're right across from where we were. We're right over there in between there at the Marketplace Co-op. Now we're at Disney Tales. I think I called it Disney Trails when I came in. Disney Tales. All stuff for your pets. Look at this. Wow. Look at the Aristocats. Yeah, let's see. 60. Oh, nice. So everything you can think of here, guys. Over here as well. We got some of the leashes, the collars. Oh, I love the Nightmare Before Christmas. Look at Zero. It's like a toy, I think. Just like a pet toy. Yeah, pet toy. And Zero's in there. It probably comes out and have your dog rip them to pieces. Oh, look at this. Maybe like a water ball. So cool. Haunted mansion bed. Wow. So if you're into Disney and you love your pets and you want your pets to enjoy all the nice things at Disney, look at, even have a Marvel over here. All right, let's move right into the last area here, guys. This is kind of, they call trend. So this is where you'll find really cool things. Just neat colors, hoodies there. Some of the day hats. Look at this Loungefly with Tinkerbell. Wow. Not sure, I don't see a price. I'll say 85, I'm guessing. Let me see, a couple more here. Yeah, 85. There it is, Tinkerbell. And they have some mini stuff right here.
I never knew this.
So cool, look at this one. This one's nice, just like that, I love that. So, yes, called Trend. And things change in here quite often. I see another Loungefly I want to show you guys, actually. Right over here. Look at this one. Mickey and Minnie together. I think we kind of know the prices by now. Probably 85, right? No price on it, but let's go with 85 on that one. Look at this. I believe that's Flower, right? From Bambi, I think. That is really nice. So, again, really cool stuff in Trend. It's just some regular t-shirts there. We have the 100 Crocs. And just some Mickey, some just kind of plain Mickeys. These are pretty neat. I just like those. And they have jewelry in here, all kinds of stuff. There, let's see how much that one was. Let's see, 80 for that one. Oh, more. There's a whole collection, guys. She's like a... Yeah, it definitely is Bambi, yeah. Almost kind of blends in, right? Pretty neat. So what do you guys think of the co-op? I'm having a lot of fun here. It's like just a lounge suit, I'd say. Pretty neat. So guys, let's go ahead, exit out, and wrap up this vlog. And you come right out, and right over there is Earl Sandwich and his little toy store there. Guys, what'd you think of the co-op? I had a lot of fun making that vlog today. You know, I didn't know what to think. Like, let's go in, let's see. I hadn't been in there so long. Man, there's a lot of cool stuff in there. Especially, I think the memory maker is awesome, because if that's in... To see, if you're coming down, I didn't even know that. If you're coming down for vacation and you have that memory maker package, you can go in there and do all kinds of different photo ops, just like in the parks. That's a bit basically the way she described it. Just like the parks, scan it, take your pictures, and you're good to go. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Don't forget, some awesome vlogs coming up. The rodeo roundup, barbecue. We got Typhoon Lagoon coming. Just off the top of my head, those will be awesome. And of course, much more on Medling World. More cruising coming. Promise you there will be definitely more cruising coming very soon. So guys, take a moment, please subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least, see ya!